To provide the best possible viewing experience, the vehicle photographs in this video have been digitally remastered and enhanced using artificial intelligence. This allowed us to restore clarity and detail that otherwise wouldn't be visible. Now, let's get started. In 1953, Chevrolet launched a bold experiment called the Corvette. It was an entirely fiberglass sports car meant to bring European racing flair to American roads. Initially, it featured a modest inline-six engine and a 2-speed automatic transmission. Sales were actually quite slow at first, and the project was almost cancelled. However, a few years later, Chevrolet decided to drop a V8 engine under the hood. That single change transformed the Corvette into an absolute American legend. 10 years later, the 1963 Corvette Stingray completely changed the game. It introduced a striking new design with a sharp nose, hidden headlights, and the famous split rear window. This was also the first Corvette to offer a fixed-roof coupe version alongside the convertible. Underneath the stunning fiberglass body, it featured independent rear suspension for much better handling. The C2 proved that American cars could handle just as well as they could accelerate down a straight line. The C3 Corvette arrived in 1968, bringing a curvy design heavily inspired by the Mako Shark concept car. It kept the strong chassis and engine lineup of the previous generation, but wrapped them in a much more aggressive shell. This generation lasted for 15 years, surviving major changes in safety rules and fuel regulations. Even when strict emission standards forced the horsepower to drop during the 1970s, the Corvette remained incredibly popular and sold in record-breaking numbers. By 1984, the Corvette was desperate for a modern update. The C4 delivered exactly that with a sleek, aerodynamic wedge shape and a high-tech digital dashboard. Chevrolet completely redesigned the suspension and chassis, making this version corner incredibly well. The entire clamshell hood opened up to reveal the engine and front suspension, which looked very exotic at the time. This generation firmly established the Corvette as a serious sports car capable of pulling high forces on the track. In 1990, Chevrolet unleashed the ZR1 to take on the fastest supercars in the world. They partnered with Lotus to design an entirely new all-aluminum V8 engine with 4 overhead camshafts. This massive power boost required wider rear tires, giving the ZR1 a noticeably thicker tail section. It set several world endurance speed records and earned the nickname King of the Hill. It was a massive leap forward in performance, proving the Corvette could truly compete on the global supercar stage. The C5 launched in 1997, marking the biggest redesign since the original car. Chevrolet moved the transmission to the back, which gave the car a perfect weight balance and much more interior space. The new chassis was incredibly stiff, and it introduced the famous LS series V8 engine. These changes made the car much more comfortable for daily driving while also making it much faster. This generation really polished the rough edges of the past, delivering a truly modern driving experience. In 2001, Chevrolet brought back the legendary Z06 badge for a special track-focused C5. It was built using the fixed roof coupe body style because it was the lightest and stiffest shell available. Engineers gave it a more powerful engine, thinner glass, and a titanium exhaust system to save even more weight. The result was a raw, aggressive sports car that offered incredible performance for a fraction of the cost of its rivals. It quickly became a favorite among racing enthusiasts everywhere. The C6 arrived in 2005, tightening up the design and shaving away some excess size. It was actually shorter and narrower than the C5, which made it feel much more nimble on twisty roads. This generation also said goodbye to the pop-up headlights, returning to exposed units for the first time since 1962. The interior saw major upgrades, and the base engine was bumped up to 400 horsepower. The C6 offered exceptional value, proving high performance didn't have to cost a huge fortune. Chevrolet shattered expectations in 2009 with the release of the C6 ZR1. Known as the Blue Devil, this monster featured a supercharged V8 engine that pushed out well over 600 horsepower. It utilized huge carbon ceramic brakes and carbon fiber body panels to keep the weight down. The hood even had a clear polycarbonate window to show off the supercharger cover underneath. It was wildly fast, easily keeping up with the most exotic and expensive supercars from Italy and Germany. The C7 Stingray debuted in 2014, bringing a highly aggressive and sharp design. It introduced advanced technology like an electronic limited slip differential and a smart manual transmission that matched your revs perfectly. The interior was completely overhauled with premium materials, finally giving the Corvette a cabin that matched its performance. This generation represented the peak of the front engine layout, squeezing every possible ounce of capability out of the traditional design. In 2020, Chevrolet completely rewrote the rulebook by moving the engine behind the driver. The C8 Stingray finally realized the dream of a mid-engine Corvette, shifting the weight balance for much better traction and handling. It abandoned the manual transmission entirely, opting for a lightning-fast dual-clutch automatic. The sharp exotic styling made it look like a high-end European supercar. It was a massive gamble for the brand, but it paid off by delivering unbelievable track performance. The C8 Z06 arrived in 2023, turning the mid-engine platform into an absolute track weapon. It features a brand new flat-plane crank V8 that screams up to a massive 8,600 revolutions per minute. The car is significantly wider to fit massive rear tires and features huge aerodynamic wings to keep it glued to the pavement. It delivers an intense, visceral driving experience that rivals pure racing cars. The Z06 is the ultimate expression of the modern Corvette evolution.